It's a weak ridge, but it's still keeping things fairly settled. Then we've got this clutch of fronts coming in from the southwest, and they're going to introduce some rain and thicker cloud and strengthening winds later on. But first thing this morning in the east, there is a fair bit of cloud around with just the odd shower here and there. Slowest to clear from East Anglia in the southeast, but nonetheless, we still will see a few holes in that. And you can see the extent of the dry weather before the cloud thickens, bringing in that rain from the west later on in the afternoon, as well as those strengthening winds. Temperatures today could get up to 27 in the far southeast, 22 in Newcastle and 20 across northeast Scotland and parts of Northern Ireland as well. And for the Commonwealth Games, it is looking dry, and look at those temperatures, 24, 25 degrees and just light breezes. Now, through the evening and overnight period, that rain continues to march quite quickly across the country. You can see the tail end of it bringing some further rain in across parts of eastern England, the Midlands, into the southwest, and it will be fairly murky in the southwest itself, but dry with some clear spells in the southeast, and it's going to feel quite muggy tonight as well, despite the breeze. Into tomorrow then, we still have all this mist and murk on the coast and hills in the southwest, around the Bristol Channel, southwest Wales, and we also still have the dregs of that weather front, bringing some spots of rain across parts of the Midlands, Wales and parts of eastern England at times. To the north of that, there'll be a few showers coming in across the northwest, but it is going to be a fairly breezy day. But one thing worth noting is the direction of that breeze. It's coming in from the southwest, which is a warm direction for us, and that's reflected in the temperatures. We've got 24 in Aberdeen, 27 in London, but it is going to feel quite muggy. Now, as we head on from Tuesday into Wednesday, our weather front is still with us in the far southeast. We've got another one coming in across the northwest, and if you saw a quick glimpse of those isobars, it will tell you that it's going to be a windy day. And through the day, the wind direction is going to change. It will veer from a southwesterly to more of a northwesterly, which is a fresher direction. So we're also going to see a fair bit of cloud, some showery outbreaks of rain moving from the west to the east across Scotland. The remains of that weather front in the far southwest, and on either side of that, we will see some sunshine. The highest temperatures once again in the south at 28 or 29, 15 in Stornoway. Ben and Sal.
Thanks so much, Carol. We'll see you again in half an hour.
Well, speaking of the weather, and well, maybe things turn a little bit colder, heating goes on later in the year, and we'll